Good morning, guys. Well, crypto is kind of just stalled out. Guys, pretty much every video I've done Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday here, and now we're on Thursday, it's pretty much been the same video. Like, everybody's watching the SPY, and what we've been doing is we've just been consolidating around this 415 level. A lot of people's eyes are on this. And guys, I really believe we need to be watching this strongly, because one day we're going to wake up in the morning, this is going to gap down or gap up, and it's going to be a crazy move. The SPY at resistance level 415 is what everybody should be watching. If this starts to move up here and really start to skyrocket, guys, most likely all of your crypto portfolios are going to go up, like, pretty easily. But there are a lot of signs in the market, and I want to draw your attention to this morning. We're going to talk about this, that we're looking for a move back down. If you take a look at the Well money flow, this is showing you guys what larger transactions are doing. If they start seeing their money move out of the, let me rephrase this. If we start seeing their money move out of the market, then this is not a strong sign that the big guys are buying into this, expecting it to go back up. This is what's called a form of divergence. So when you start seeing trend exhaustion as well as the Well money flow here starting to make their highs, so a high here and a high here, and it starts to move back down, this is honestly a bearish sign called negative divergence or bearish divergence that you usually see a move back down in the market. And we're actually seeing, let's go down to the 1 minute real quick. We're seeing this drop here this morning, and it looks like we may have actually come to the top point up here at maybe 415, exactly where we're looking at, and now we're starting to see the move down. This is interesting as well, guys. Do you see that we've actually hit an official downtrend? So we're creating what's called lower highs and lower lows, which the only qualification for a downtrend is a lower highs and lower lows, and an uptrend is higher highs and higher lows. So this is interesting right now because we're starting to see, if we go down obviously to the 1 minute, that we can see this playing out. Let's come to the daily here. When we see this on the daily, we're so high on Well money flow and trend exhaustion is so high. You guys can snag this in the description. That this is, again, another reason why I think if we look at the last time we got up here this high and both of them synced up, if you're looking right here, say the syncing up here of the exact levels, this is where we saw this high up here and we saw a massive crash in the market. Guys, I know everybody's like, I want it just to go back up so we all make money. I'm with you guys. And I think a lot of people thought that over here as well. But we're sitting at this area where we could see a decent move down. Let me bring you guys to another perspective here. Everyone take out what's called a Fibonacci retracement. I think it's right over here. So you guys are going to take, we're going to take the low, we're going to take the high, and we're going to look at what's called a 50% retracement on a downtrend, okay? So on the downtrend, you must take the low, and then you take the high of the trend to look for the retracement back up for a potential move back down, usually looking to target 1.6. Now, I'm not even going to come on here and tell you guys, oh, we're going to 300. I don't think we're going to 300. My point is, of pulling this out, guys, is that we're in this golden zone right now, where a lot of times traders look to actually trade the 50% retracement for shorts back down in the market. Okay, we can see this over here that it played out pretty well. If you take a look at this high here, let me go to the bottom, and then you go to the high, you can see right around this level, we hit that 50% retracement right about here. It wasn't in there, but it's very close, and that's almost exactly where the market ended up dropping last time. And so we've got a lot of signs over here, guys, from a technical perspective that we're probably going to see Bitcoin move down here as well as Ethereum. So with Bitcoin here, I would say, if we extend this line out here, let me extend this for you guys because we're using a trend regression. Let's extend them out to the right side here. I would not doubt if our next crash point on Bitcoin literally is down here at probably $21,000. And if it does get down there, guys, we're going to start buying up like crazy because we've been buying and we've been selling at higher points, and we're buying back in to acquire more coins with our membership that you guys can snag. It's been so much fun, as well as on top of that, guys, Ethereum obviously is going to go lower, ADA is going to go even lower, and we're going to get back into some scalping trades once we see a little bit further move back down. And those scalping trades have yielded us, let me refresh this here, they've yielded us, I think we may just dip below, okay, we're still above, 0.50% a day. Over 0.5% a day profit is what we're experiencing with our scalping trades. We are very patient. I'm very patient when I call these out because I want them to win within about, I would say 12 to 24 hours is actually the goal. And we're trying not to use any buy limits. But if you guys are using good risk management, you're still up, 13%. We're not calculating fees. Some of you guys don't have them, so please understand that. But you guys are still up you're making more money than the S&P 500. Like, it's pretty ridiculous. 400% more than S&P 500 if you guys are using all your money per entry. Now, I do not advise that. I'm just showing you guys what the max profit is based off our risk management over here. So if you guys want to follow that, you guys can do that. Come over to the pricing over here. Come snag a membership. It's just $95 a month, and you guys can subscribe, and you guys will be able to get access to all those trade calls. Real quick before we end this, let's take a look at the actual metrics for all these coins. So if you go to the charts over here, Bitcoin, you know, guys, we're just sitting in the middle. It's literally, we're just sitting right in the middle here, and it's indecision. That's the best word to be using for crypto today. We don't know. I don't know if we're going up or down, because a lot of this, if we're just being honest with ourselves, guys, it's reliant on the SPY. Like, you've got people doing calls, you've got people doing puts. Funny from yesterday's video. You know, calls, people expecting the market, betting on the market going up. Puts, expecting on the market to go back down. People are trying to accumulate their positions right now to say, I know it's going to go up. I'm placing my calls. I know it's going to go down. I'm placing my puts. And you've got a lot of people just placing their bets here. Whichever way this breaks, guys, I don't think it's going to be a small break. So what we have done now in this video here, well, how do you set yourself up for the greatest advantage no matter what happens? Here's what we've done. We have money in this crypto market, and we have about, I would say, $72,000. I'll refresh it here so we can get an actual number, because this is not correct. I haven't refreshed this morning yet. So we're at 72,700, and now we're currently at 71,236. We are not going to touch this. We're not trading in and out of the market with this. This account is just held in Coinbase Advanced Trading. So when and if crypto just starts skyrocketing up here and just keeps going and going and going and going, because obviously we have a lot of room to move up on crypto, because, well, here's where we're at and here's where we were at. So we're going to hold that money there. Okay. On top of that, what we're doing is we have money in our Coinbase account where we're using this to get in and out of trades and accumulate as many coins as we can at these lower prices. And that's where you guys see on the chart here, and if you guys are looking at everything, you're like, what are these lines? What we're doing, and we're calling this out for all of our members, is we bought in low. We literally bought in low here, and we sold some coins, and then we bought in again, and then we sold 25% up here, and now we can buy back in lower. We have been acquiring more coins on every single sell that we've made buying back in to crypto. So when this thing does go up, guys, we're going to make more money than we originally put it into our accounts, and that is where the fun of crypto comes in, guys. And honestly, like, I've been having such a blast doing this, and I'm excited. One last thing, and we'll end the video. We have some pretty crazy, awesome announcements that are going to be coming out. We just watch the YouTube channel. That's all I got to say. Just watch the YouTube channel. I'm talking to the team about when we're going to be releasing this, but it may happen this week or next week. But we have been able, we haven't stumbled upon, but one of my good friends has been working on something for the crypto community. Honestly, it's been in the making for the last 4 years. And I think we're ready to release it to you guys. And this would literally change all of crypto traders. Like, literally all crypto traders, you guys will love this. I don't want to say too much more because I want to check with the team if we're okay releasing this today or this next week. But please, everybody, watch our YouTube channel. I'm not just saying this as like clickbait, but seriously, we have something that we've been I met with the team yesterday. We may be able to release this pretty soon, and I want you guys just to be aware of that and watch this channel so you can take action on it when it comes, because we'll need you guys' votes when we do eventually release that video. All right, guys, have an amazing day. Snag the indicators in the description if you guys would like to trade with the price for swell money, feel the trend exhaustion, see what larger transactions are doing. Make sure if you guys get the indicators, please do me a favor and do yourself a favor. Use coupon code SAVEMONEY at checkout. So SAVE money at checkout. You guys want to use that. I know that looks terrible, but use that for all the individual indicators. They'll give you guys a little extra discount, because who doesn't like saving money? If you guys want to get the bundle pack, this is already discounted to 82% off the retail value. You're going to get lifetime access. It's a one-time payment. The source codes are included, and all the indicators you guys are going to get as well. It's just the best deal, hands down. So if you guys are looking for really good indicators, these are amazing. So snag these guys in the description, and I will see you guys on the next video. And if you guys want to come join us in our scalping trades, I'll call all the trades out for you guys, as well as, seeing all the metrics. We may be updating some metrics soon, just FYI, so watch YouTube, guys. Some pretty exciting announcements coming, so definitely be watching that, as we'll unleash some things here pretty soon to you guys. But snag a membership, and then we're going to be going live with you guys in the inner circle. We're still trying to pick a date for August, but we're going to answer all the Q&As that you guys have, and we're just going to go literally live with you. You guys will see me, you'll see Jake, you'll see Josh, the team of Trade Confident, and we'll answer your questions. We'll go over the markets. So that's included with you guys' membership as well. All right, guys, I love you. Have a great day, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.